Hi guys, this is day 44, and we have spent 43 days working on a single project, step and moving step by step. What does that mean? You have become stronger, you have learned a lot in the journey, you have built your foundations, you understand the very basic concepts. If still you don't find this useful, so just ask, vent it out on comment. So now get back on the track. What's the title for today? Again, it's title about Git and GitHub. First, let's go to Jira and see what we did. So we were working on Git and GitHub, and what we see, we have created the repository. We were understanding the Git command yesterday and sending the code to repo. So now all of these things are in progress and we see the deadline is today. So we will try to finish it up by today. So this is the code, and yesterday we lost it. How? So because I have used, so now you can see we have lost this yesterday, right? And now git fetch dash all. Okay, we are in the backend, and then we have to do this. So now you can see there are files which are available. These are the things all are available, and we have lost yesterday. And what happened? Actually, I sent it to this branch. The branch name is this. So this is the ID for which it goes pushed, and after that I changed the branch or repository, so I lost the code. But this is the powerful tool for GitHub that stores the ID, and based on ID you can track back these things and you can push to another branch or another repo itself. All sort of those things you can do it to it. So what I did, I check out to that ID and then again created one of the branches and pushed it in the main branch by force method, and after that it gets pushed. So that's how I get the code back, and I push to the repo as well. You can see the codes in the repo. But there's one more thing. Do you know? There's one main branch. There is always one test branch. Why require two branches? So at beginner phase, we don't require two branches. But when you learn more about development, you will understand that. Let's suppose there's a main server and you want to test some feature. You then cannot directly push to main server. So at that point of time, you create a test server for yourself, and that's where the test branch comes into picture. So let's build a test branch, and how to do that? Let's do through this code only, or the commands only. So first let's see on which branch we are. We are on the main branch. So to make a test branch, what we do, we will write git checkout dash b test. So dash b means branch, and we are naming it as test. So now you have a new branch. So now you can see git branch dash a. Okay, spelling mistake. Now you can see you have two branches. Now we have to push this code. So what we should do, we git add to add all the file to send to the branch. Now git commit. code sent to test branch. Now what I do, git push origin and the name of the branch is test. So it will get pushed. So now the code has been sent to this. Now you can see it says there's something to compare and pull request. So we will do that. If there is any changes, we will see. Is there any change? Code sent to test branch. So now we are creating a pull request. It's checking if there is a change. So there is no conflict with the base branch, and you can see there is no change. So we were just merging it, confirming the merge, and now merged and closed. So now one pull request has been done. Alright, so now you understand how to push the code. So another important thing is creating the readme. Right? So now you can see there is no readme here. But readme is there in the main branch. So now let's see. Git fetch double dash all. So now it's checking. So now you can see there is some changes which needs to be here. So again, git pull origin test. First let's do this. So git checkout. Again go to the main branch. Now we will do git pull again. Origin main. So we'll get anything is there on the main server will be here. So now there is only one thing that is here, change of this. But now I want to make a readme file in the backend. .md. md means markdown. So first let's give the heading Socio Connect. We name it, and this is version 1.0, first version. This is a social media app backend where which is used to help front-end application for creating post, having login account, secure login account, etc. It uses RESTful. So RESTful must be this APIs. So you can write more and more detail in it. And now with it, the next thing we will add tools and technologies. So double hash means heading, and in the tools and technology you will write Python Flask encryption, using Workjuke securities, database, SQL, and that is SQLite 3. So all of this need to be in this format. So what will this make? This will make a list. Now how to run? First, clone the repository to local system. Second, go to folder, by writing cd there is something called, using this you can write the code, cd repo name. Now third is, again this is a command that needs to be run. Pip install dash r requirements.txt, and finally again we will run. How we will run? We will run python app.py. Now more you can find routes, API slash login for login feature, slash API slash sign up for sign up feature, slash API slash profile for profile feature. Now slash API slash comment is there for comment feature, slash API slash notifications, for notification feature, slash API slash, what was the other thing? Notification is there, comment is there, posts, for posts feature. So that are more than enough for now, and you can use the other things to write more thing about it. And let's say you want to see it how it will look like, so you can use any of the tool of markdown viewer. So I use this, you can use anyone. So now you can see how does it look like. All right, so now again I will go to get branch. First I will push to get checkout test. This is the bus basic building, so I am directly pushing test. Otherwise, we will always make a new branch and push there. After pull request, we can delete that branch. So let's get add, get commit dash m added readme, get push origin main. Again, we will go to GitHub. What we can see, again there is a pull request. So you can see open pull request. You can see the changes. Now it's checking if anything is there already in the commit file or something, so that there should not be any clashes between two commits. Wait for a few minutes, or let me reload this. Yeah, there is no conflict, and so now confirming the merge. So we have merged this in the code. Now in the main you can also see these things, but let me go to the main branch. Get checkout main. What will happen? See, there is no readme. So what we do? Get fetch double dash all, which will let you see what are changes you have. You can see there is one change. It's saying. So let's see what to do with that. To make that change visible here, what we do? Get pull origin main, and that will pull every change from there to here. Now you can see the readme file has been added. That's all. I hope you have understood about the basic designing and structure of the GitHub. And with that, I am taking a leave for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.